Did you know it's entirely possible to make your own condensed soups at home? In this video, I'm going to show you how. Welcome to video number 3 in my How to Cook with Magic Mix series. Today is my favorite way to use Magic Mix, which is making my own homemade condensed soups. I'm going to show you 4 different types of condensed soups, the ones that are most popular. And you can use them in any recipe that you have that calls for a can of condensed soup, fill in the blank, what flavor. One of my favorite reasons for making this at home, besides the fact that we can tailor it to our family's wants, flavor it any way we want, is that now I don't have to buy and store a whole bunch of cans of cream of fill-in-the-blank soups. All I have to do is have basic ingredients on hand to make the Magic Mix, which if you missed that video, make sure you go in the description below to find it. But you can also now save a whole lot of room on your shelf to put something else that you feel like you don't have space to store when it comes to your food storage. The important thing to remember is after you've made these condensed soups, you can use them in any of your family's favorite recipes that call for a cream of fill-in-the-blank soup. And you use it just how it says to do it in your recipe. But this way, you're rotating that food storage, you're saving money, and trust me, it's gonna taste a whole lot better. So let's get started. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed all those really easy tips for how to make your own homemade condensed soups. Make sure you leave a comment below with what your favorite recipe is to use it in, and make sure you subscribe and come back next week for the next video in the series, which is how to make and I'm talking really delicious, homemade chocolate pudding using your Magic Mix in just minutes.